What's up, guys? We're going to be going over how to cash out your BSLT. We're going to be talking about the Bora portal and what it has to offer and how to use it. So let's get into it. Bora did some updates to their website, making it brand new, so it's pretty confusing to a lot of new players. But I'm going to break it down basically and show you exactly how to use the Bora portal. Now, the Bora blockchain is trying to include a bunch of different games and projects into their blockchain, but we want to know how to withdraw our BSLT into our MetaMask. So we're going to click on the launch earn, and from this page you can go ahead and sign in with your MetaMask or Face Wallet. It should be the same thing, but I'm going to go over with the MetaMask. Go ahead and sign in. We can just click on assets and it's going to bring you to this page. Now, what you're going to want to do first is click on my assets over here. You're going to want to go ahead and add the tokens that you do not have in your list. So this is what's going to show you in your MetaMask. This is how you're going to see it in your MetaMask. From here, it's going to add the token. It's going to switch the chain. As you can see, we're on the Bora chain mainnet and it wants to switch over to the Clayton Cypress mainnet. All right, from here, it's laid out in a roadmap that we can kind of see here. From here, it's BSLT swapped into T-Bora. Then we can bridge it into Bora and swap it for Clay. Or we can just sell the Bora on an exchange. This is the Clayton network that is also partnered with the Bora chain network here. So we're gonna go from BSLT swap to T-Bora, and we're gonna bridge over into P-Bora and swap for Matic, which is in the Polygon chain network or Polygon blockchain. This is my favorite because then from here you can buy lands from OpenSea, Magic Eden. This all requires Polygon or Matic. This is definitely my favorite way of doing it, and Matic is one of the best blockchains out there for gaming with the lowest gas fees possible. Alright, so you're on the Ark World homepage. All you have to do is come to the blue salt at the top of the page and hit BSLT. So from here, it's going to show you the deposit and withdrawal. We're going to withdraw. So here I'm going to withdraw 610 BSLT. There is a 10 BSLT withdrawal fee. We're going to go ahead and withdraw. Going to confirm that you want to withdraw it from the NA server. The withdrawal request has been completed. It is going to be going into the wallet that you have selected. All right, guys, the BSLT withdrawal will take approximately 24 hours. Usually it's 24 hours right on the head. So we're gonna come down to the bottom of the screen and we're gonna see T-Bora. We're gonna click on T-Bora, get T-Bora. We're gonna go ahead and click on BSLT. We're trading BSLT or swapping it for T-Bora. Go ahead, do 600. You're gonna click on swap and then start. So Bora chain needs to approve the BSLT to be swapped over to T-Bora. Click on approve. It has a nice little use default for this. So we're gonna use default. Next, the BGAS is given to you for free once you have added your Bora chain mainnet. If you don't have BGAS, all you gotta do is hop in our Discord, ask us for some help, we'll send you some BGAS. We gotta then swap. So now that we have approved the transaction and we approved the use of our BSLT in T-Bora, we can then swap it. We're gonna go ahead and swap the 600 BSLT into T-Bora, and it's done. So we're gonna go to assets. Here we see we gotta go from T-Bora, we gotta bridge it over to P-Bora. So we can use the bridge to Bora into Clay if you prefer Clay. We're gonna go ahead to P-Bora. Same method. We want to get P-Bora, so we click on get P-Bora. Now we're gonna swap out. We're gonna bridge it. Bridging is just a fancy word for saying that it's going from one blockchain to the next blockchain. Now this process will take a little bit longer, as bridging blockchains, going from one blockchain to another blockchain, does take a little bit of time. Always click on use default. Then we can go from swap. This is where it's going to take some time. I like the transaction and process too. That is pretty cool. So you can see when your transaction has been done. I really think this Bora website update, the Bora portal website update, is pretty fancy. It's actually really nice. It's super easy to use. Hopefully you don't really need this guide, but after this, once you get your P-Bora, you can swap it for Maddox. Same thing we've been doing. And from there, we can have fun buying land on OpenSea and Magic Eden. So you can see Matic is the cryptocurrency that is used to buy lands. This is a good way of earning in-game to buy some lands that you now own. From there, you can progress the way you want to progress. So it's good to get familiar with the Blockchain Explorer. Basically, this is a good way of tracking your transactions and seeing what's going on. Again, I love utilizing the different tokens that they show here, so you can always track token holders, how many transfers have been made. Same with the T-Bora. It's pretty complex going into the Ark World land. We can see we have 822 land holders. Hope this guide has been helpful. If you need any other help, like I said, come to the Juice Team Discord and we'll help you out.